Donald Trump has nominated Florida Congressman Matt Gaetz as the next Attorney General, a move that has generated significant controversy due to Gaetz's legal history and outspoken rhetoric. Gaetz, a staunch ally of Trump, was previously the subject of a federal investigation, though no charges were filed. His personal experience of being scrutinized by the Department of Justice puts him in a unique position, unlike most attorneys general who preceded him. Gaetz has hinted at his aspirations for the role for months, joking in a Newsmax interview, "A boy can dream," when asked about his potential future in Trump's cabinet. He has also suggested that a DOJ under his leadership would be more aggressive in prosecuting political opponents, particularly those associated with President Joe Biden and his family. Gaetz said, "You never know, there may be an Attorney General Matt Gaetz down the road, or someone of my liking who will be there to actually enforce the law and provide the accountability." If confirmed, Gaetz's tenure could bring a distinct shift in the DOJ's approach. Having personally endured the pressures of a federal investigation, Gaetz might emphasize protecting civil liberties and ensuring cautious, measured prosecutorial actions. Gaetz's past criticisms of the DOJ, especially its handling of investigations he views as politically motivated, suggest he could push for reforms that prioritize transparency and accountability. There's also an important similarity between Gaetz and Trump. Both have been the targets of high-profile investigations. Trump himself was subjected to a criminal search warrant in 2022, and Gaetz has openly criticized the department for what he calls politically motivated investigations. Their shared history with the Justice Department may result in a DOJ more cautious about pursuing politically charged cases, potentially reshaping how it conducts future investigations. However, Gaetz's path to confirmation is expected to be contentious. Senate Democrats are likely to challenge his nomination, citing his legal controversies and partisan stance. Even some Republicans may hesitate to support Gaetz due to his polarizing reputation. Gaetz has acknowledged the difficulty, quipping, "The world is not ready probably, and certainly Senate confirmation wouldn't be." As Senate hearings approach, lawmakers will explore Gaetz's potential to lead the DOJ impartially. They'll focus on whether his personal experience with federal scrutiny could help foster respect for civil liberties, or whether it risks deepening partisan divides within the nation's top law enforcement body. As this nomination process unfolds, the question remains, will Matt Gaetz bring a fresh perspective on civil liberties and due process, or will his past controversies and aggressive partisan stance lead to further polarization in the Justice Department? Only time will tell as the Senate prepares for what could be one of the most intense Attorney General confirmation hearings in recent history. To stay up to date on the latest criminal justice news, subscribe to Breaking Through News on the Newsbreak app or at breakingthrough.com.